Have you ever heard this line? This is the best we can offer. It sounds like a full stop, isn't it? But smart executives know that's exactly the place where the real negotiation begins. In this video, I'll show you a 4-part strategy called principal negotiation so that you can ask for more without sounding greedy and walk away with a better offer and more respect. Most people freeze when they hear that line, no, this is the best offer, and they think, but it's over. They either go silent or say, okay, thank you, and accept the deal. And they'll lose a big chunk of money from the table. But here's what I coach my clients to say instead. I'm really excited about the role, and I would love to explore how we can structure this in a way that reflects the value I am to bring. That one line changes everything. It shifts the tone from confrontation to collaboration. Here's how it works. Step number 1. Separate the person from the problem. Because it's not the recruiter's problem. So don't make it about the recruiter. Make it about the opportunity. Very important. Step number 2. Focus on interests, not position. Instead of arguing over numbers, talk about what the company needs and what you will deliver. Then go to step number 3. Offer multiple options. If base salary is stuck, suggest alternatives like signing bonus, equity, or a 90-day performance review with compensation adjustments. Then go to step number 4. Use objective data. You have to be very objective here. Come with market research, benchmark reports, and real results from your past roles. Let me explain this with an example from a coaching session. Emma, a director of product in Seattle, she got an offer letter and she was not in job for some time, so which she knew was below the market. And she was tempted to accept it because she was not in job. But in our coaching, we had already rehearsed this exact framework. So she used it to reopen the conversation and ended up getting a higher base, a 15% bonus, a $50,000 signing bonus, and an equity on the top, just by shifting the energy of the conversation. So the next time someone says, this is the best we can offer, do not freeze, do not fold, use this framework and lead the negotiation like a strategic partner. If you want the full executive salary negotiation playbook, then it has 7 frameworks like this. You can drop a comment below with the words, the executive salary negotiation playbook, and I'll send it to you right in your inbox. If you want personalized help to prepare for an offer, then or internal raise, then book a free discovery call. The link is in the comment section. Let's help you get what you really are worth, not what they think you are worth.